This is the Blaze Defense Systems TMK. This is the 5-pound system. So this is an Amerex B500 extinguisher that's residing into our BDS TMK sleeve. TMK stands for trunk mount kit. This is a vehicle application where you would attach this system onto the sidewall, either onto the floorboard, or if you have a metal system in the back with pull-out drawers, you can mount it there with some nuts, bolts, washers, things of that nature. However you want to be creative in mounting your application is totally up to you. This system we have actually added a trauma kit onto the side, which has your tourniquets. It has burn wrap, which is a necessity for treating fire suppression stuff. You may have someone that's burnt, or the officer that's using it, or whoever's using it may get burnt. So we've got plenty of fire stuff in here for burns. We've got, again, tourniquets, we've got quick clot, we've got trauma dressing, gloves, chest seals, all kinds of fun stuff in this kit. This actually attaches like this and actually rips away from the kit altogether by itself. This is actually a Condor pouch that we sourced from Condor. There'll be another kit coming out very soon that will be a laser cut design with some extra features that will be all USA made. We're proud of that. So as you can see, you can molle any type of gear onto the side of this, but we chose the trauma related gear because we thought it fit the need. Again, this is a 5-pound ABC B500 Amerex unit. You could also use a BDS Blaze Defense Systems 2-liter system here that has a refillable port on the back, so you can refill the system yourself. This is a liquid foam agent that we use. It's really good for cooling hot metals, neutralizing fuel sources, and you can spray it on the person and actually give them a little bit better time in regards to creating a thermal heat barrier on their skin for a very small limited portion of time. On the back of this, you can see we have the mounting application. This actually right here is actually what mounts into the vehicle. Again, I'd recommend at least 3 to 6 bolts, screws, nuts, self-tapping screws, however you want to be creative on mounting this thing. And on the back right here, you can see this is hook material that attaches to the loop material, and that's how this system pairs up and meets. When you're running this system without the trauma kit, we have an extra safety feature here that would actually wrap around, and the other side would come around this way, and it's an extra security feature for this actual model. We do have a larger model that's going to be coming out also that will fit the 10-pound ABC B456 model, or the brass valve model from Amerex, and also fit a 4-liter size, bigger than this size, BDS fire suppression system, again, that resides 4 liters of liquid. Visit us online, shop.blazedefensesystems.com for more information. Give us a shout, 205-664-3473. Thanks, and be safe.